critique, Union Minister Manohar Lal Khattar took aim at the former Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal. Khattar accused Kejriwal of deflecting blame, citing his statement regarding the Yamuna cleanup. Khattar reminded the public of Kejriwal's pledge not to contest the 2025 elections if he failed to clean the river. When the cleanup did not materialize, Kejriwal allegedly blamed the Haryana government for poisoning the Yamuna. Khattar claimed this remark cost Kejriwal several seats, suggesting that Kejriwal refrained from such a statement. He might have won 5 to 6 more seats, especially considering 40% of Delhi's population comes from Haryana. Now let's in fact listen into what he said.
केजरीवाल का एक स्वभाव रहा है कि कोई बात खुद ना कर पाए तो कैसे दूसरे के पाले में डालना है। उन्होंने एक स्टेटमेंट दे डाली कभी कि मैं 2025 में चुनाव तभी लड़ूंगा जब यमुना को साफ करूंगा। यमुना साफ नहीं होगी तो मैं चुनाव नहीं लड़ूंगा। दैट वाज ए चैलेंजिंग स्टेटमेंट फ्रॉम हिज साइड। अब चूंकि यमुना तो साफ कर नहीं पाए, अब जब कर नहीं पाए तो अंतोगत्वा कहा कि हाँ भी इसमें यमुना में तो जो पानी हरियाणा से आता है उसमें जहर घोल देते हैं। हालांकि ये स्टेटमेंट उसको बहुत महंगी पड़ गई। अगर ये स्टेटमेंट न देते, अब तो चुनाव हो चुका है, आज मैं कह सकता हूं कि वो 5-7 सीटें ज्यादा ले जाते हैं। इस स्टेटमेंट के कारण से 5-7 सीटें उसने खोई हैं।
Arzu, in terms of what Manohar Lal Khattar said, that how AAP had lost the seat over this Yamuna row that they had raised, so what exactly is this political war of words all about?
Union Minister and the former Haryana Chief Minister Manohar Lal Khattar attacked the Arvind Kejriwal over the political drama we saw a few days back before the Delhi Assembly elections, when the Aam Aadmi Party alleges the Haryana government of poisoning the Yamuna river water, and now reacting to it, the water dispute exists between the various states. This is what the Manohar Lal Khattar has to say, but the Kejriwal has made it a habit of blaming others if he is unable to fulfill his commitment, his promise. And he also said that, I remember him having made a challenge, that challenging his statement in the past that if the river Yamuna was not cleaned, he would not be contesting the elections in 2025. But he subsequently made the false statement of Haryana poisoning the Yamuna water, but that statement turned dear to him, was has reacted badly on him, and more than 40% of Delhi population hail from Haryana. The statement did not go down well with the people of Haryana, from the Haryana and Delhi as well, and it ultimately costed the AAP and the Kejriwal 5 to 7 seats. This is what the Manohar Lal Khattar has to say. So yes, this is what the Manohar Khattar has said, that there has been an impact on the number of seats also that the Aam Aadmi Party has got, and the way it was presented, they claim that the the Haryana government has poisoned the Yamuna water. This have hurted the people who are living in the national capital, the Haryana population that is living in the national capital, and that's why we saw such result. So yes, there is a political war of words regarding the Yamuna, and this time also there has been a lot of promises that have been made by the new government also. So this remains to be seen what works that the Bharatiya Janata Party is going to do for cleaning the Yamuna river. Yes.
All right, Arzu, thank you so much for joining.